Hello, good morning mga kabuchi. Welcome to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we are going to transplant two philodendrons. So the first one is the philodendron, but not this one mga kabuchi. Philodendron Choco Burgundy mga kabuchi. We have a mother plant over there mga kabuchi. You know the other half of this one mga kabuchi. And there's one there, one sprout mga kabuchi that is good for transplanting. Actually, it didn't grow na big, so we will have to transplant it mga kabuchi. And the other one is this one mga kabuchi. This red imperial here mga kabuchi. I want to turn this into a mother mga kabuchi. So the top cut, we will plant it. And then we already prepared to empty spaces here mga kabuchi. Oh, kani siya. So, empty na ni siya. We will put two pots here. The pots are already prepared mga kabuchi, but we still have to chop the coconut husk mga kabuchi. So, first thing we will do is to get all those cocoa husks stored at the back of our kitchen mga kabuchi. Chop them into tiny spaces. Spaces man. Cut them into tiny pieces mga kabuchi, and then we will move on to our koan mga kabuchi, to the transplanting. So we will be cutting the philodendrons today mga kabuchi. Namta ko'y gibutang diri nga kuan mga kabuchi. Nawawala. Ewan ko kung bakit nawawala. Tara. So, malang na siya mga kabuchi. And then, mga kabuchi, the new philodendron serratum we have mga kabuchi. Oh, look at this mga kabuchi. So, this is our first kuan mga kabuchi. First propagation of our philodendron serratum. Diba? It's really very beautiful mga kabuchi, ang golden serratum. And then, in the future mga kabuchi, we will have another plant here. Kani siya mga kabuchi. We can actually cut this one mga kabuchi. But we will wait for for the fifth leaf mga kabuchi. So, this sprout is currently on its third leaf mga kabuchi. And then we have a little sprout over here, manggod mga kabuchi. And it will not grow if we are not going to cut this one. And I am also planning of cutting this one mga kabuchi na. I'll cut na lang this one. So, actually this is ready to cut na mga kabuchi. But then, later pa na siya mga kabuchi. Kari lang sa ato ang mother. So, we have a series of activity in our philodendron garden mga kabuchi. And for that reason, we will not be able to update you with our vegetable garden mga kabuchi. But then, it will took a year for our ginger to be harvested mga kabuchi. So for now, while waiting for a year of ginger harvest, gana mosquito. Uy! Lamok mga kabuchi. Lamok punta. So I will show you mga kabuchi. So our philodendron, lamok. Our philodendron Tychon, this is not a philodendron na mga kabuchi mo, but this is Thai constellation Monstera mga kabuchi is pregnant. So, pregnant na siya. Let me show you. See? It's pregnant already mga kabuchi. And it's getting bigger. So, look at the previous leaf and the latest leaf mga kabuchi. It's growing big na mga kabutsi. Ay, ang lamok mga kabutsi. Ay, lamok. And this is also our black cardinal mga kabutsi. We have a new leaf. And another here mga kabutsi. A very promising black cardinal mga kabutsi. So, that's it. They are making me happy mga kabutsi. And look at our newly planted. This one, we cut this one the other week mga kabutsi. And look at them. So, it's really easy to take care of these giganto mga kabutsi as long as they are big already. But if they are small mga kabutsi, they are susceptible to rotting during rainy season. So, as long as big ang imong plants, the spider are here. Oh, 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 oh. Wow! Look at the spider mga kabutsi. Oh. Makita ba? Oh, nara. Kani lagi. Kani siya. The spider web. So, ang ato ang kuan mga kabutsi. This is our red Congo mga kabutsi. We have nagrat na pud iyang leaf mga kabutsi. But we will just keep putting in some kuan mga kabutsi. Something like that. So this one mga kabutsi, I think I can already put some plants here no? On this one. Nya kani siya mga kabutsi. I hope na it will be okay na ni siya mga kabutsi. No? So this is still our tour mga kabutsi no. We really need a lot of coco husk mga kabutsi because look at what happened to our kuano. So we need a lot of coco husk. What happened to our it's at least stable na siya. So okay. And look at this ring of fire mga kabutsi. It is going after the sun agad siya mga kabutsi. Maybe I need to put in ano siya. Can I put this like that? Maybe this is ay! Maybe that is useful mga kabutsi no. I can put the plant in there. But I know it's not effective. Kana pa ang akong problem mga kabutsi. If I'm going to transplant the kuan, I need some structure, support. No? So, mutuyok pag ita mga kabutsi. We will go around and see if we can. I think I'm gonna be using this one na lang mga kabutsi. I'll try using this one to support our kuan. Our kanisya. Try lang, di ba? Try and try. Ay, kuyawan ko mga kabutsi sa tapay-tapay. Okay. So, kani po gidae ang noticeable mga kabutsi. Look at this. Choco Empress. So, the Choco Empress is getting nicer na mga kabutsi. Diba? Nicer na siya, nicer. So, I think it will grow big na. And will need also support. So, we will look around and see if we can find something that is useful to support our newly planted philodendron. And look at this newly planted Prince Albert, mga kabutchi. So, grabe ba sa ilang sounds, mga kabutchi? Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.